Hey everybody, in this problem we're going to subtract 3x plus 1 from 5x plus 12. So let's first identify the like terms. So come over here and grab a color. I'm going to go green. Okay. And I'm going to first underline 5x. Okay. So I'm going to look for another term that has an x in it. And that's going to be the 3x. So let's underline the 3x with green. Okay. Then let's come over here and grab a different color. And go red. Okay. And I'm going to underline the 12, which is really positive 12 because we're adding it, okay? And then I'm also going to underline the 1, okay, because we can combine those constants. But notice we also have a subtraction sign. So we're going to subtract 3x and also subtract 1, okay, from 5x plus 12. So come over here and grab black. And let's draw an arrow to both the 3x and the 1. Because we're going to subtract both those. Okay? So 5x minus 3x gives us 2x. And then 12 minus 1 gives us positive 11. And there you go.